Hello, this is Eran Gal, and in this session we're going to do a short overview about hotel phone systems. So what is a hotel phone system and what makes it different from just any other phone system? Well, the main difference is that a hotel phone system normally interfaces the hotel PMS or property management system, which is the system the hotel uses to manage its entire operation from check-in, check-out, to charging the customer or guest for different services, and basically more or less anything the hotel does. So just like any other phone system, the hotel phone system will manage the room and office phones or extensions and the lines, but it will have some additional functionality, which is the PMS interface. What type of functionality does the hotel PMS interface provides? Upon check-in, the guest name is applied to the extension caller ID. Class of service of that extension or room changes to allow outside calls. Voicemail is being opened for the guest. The language is set per the guest's preferences, and call accounting starts. Upon checkout, the caller ID and extension name is changed back to vacant. Class of service is changed back to block calls to the outside. Voicemail is being cleaned up. Language is being reset. Call accounting ends. And if there are any wake-up calls that the guest set up, these are being deleted. Some additional features: adjustable rates table for call accounting, room status reports by the hotel staff via the phone, wake-up calls, as we mentioned, minibar, charging, and do not disturb mode. That was a short overview of hotel phone systems. Thank you.